Hello, and welcome to the Alto Bella Sales Academy. Today, we will be learning how to set the stage for success. We will uncover what this means and some helpful tips for setting the stage for your continued success. Let's get started. When we talk about setting the stage, what do we mean? Setting the stage is all about being prepared and ready for success. We cannot hope to just turn up to work expecting to be successful if we don't prepare. Well, how do we prepare? We will break this up into two sections: preparing your dealership and preparing yourself. We need to begin by helping to prepare the dealership. A good habit is to walk your display every day and really critically look at your cars. Are they dirty? Have the seats been folded down? Is there rubbish in or around your car? Doing this short walk every day will fill you with confidence that your display is in the best possible shape it can be. It also helps to familiarize ourselves with our inventory. Our online presentation is also of a high importance. Industry research shows that most people visit over 20 websites before they make contact with a dealership. In this digital world, a strong online presence is of high importance. Do we have high-quality photographs taken? Are the comments in the description accurate and convey a call to action? A strong online presence leads to an increase in sales opportunities. For our dealership presentation, we need to ensure that the premises are clean and tidy. We need to make sure that there are no junk piles or accessory stashes in the corner. Do the gardens and pavements have rubbish in them? We need to make sure that the dealership is inviting and clean. Check that the coffee machine works and that the sales brochures or pamphlets are showing up-to-date information. All of these steps on their own may not seem like they make a difference, but we need to remember that we never get a second chance at a first impression, and our guests need to have confidence in the dealership and with us. If we don't have the care and attention to clean our dealership, how confident will they be that we will look after their new car? The other very important part of setting the stage is to prepare ourselves for success. After all, people buy of people that they like, know, trust and respect. Our first impressions of people are often difficult to overcome, and it is believed that we form an impression of someone within 8 seconds of meeting someone. Talk about pressure. We can begin by ensuring that we are well groomed, with nicely pressed clothes, a tidy appearance, including shaving and a nice haircut and polishing our shoes. A recent study has shown that the first thing that you notice about someone when meeting him is their shoes, so make sure it's a positive thought. We can also help this process by having a clean and tidy workspace, without clutter. A cluttered desk equals a cluttered mind, so be sure to organize your workspace in a way that is efficient but also neat and tidy. The next part relates to our attitude towards the day. If we are coming to work with a plan of actions or tasks to achieve, it makes the task more measurable and achievable. If our goal is to speak to 3 new people for the day, we can regularly track and hold ourselves accountable to the plan rather than just waiting to see what happens. And last but certainly not least is to prepare our attitude for the day ahead. If we have a bright and positive outlook, our interactions will be bright and positive. If our outlook is negative and glass half empty, then that energy will pass on to our customers. It is often said that the best time to sell a car is just after you've sold the last one, and this comes back to us being in a happy and positive headspace, which, in turn, puts us in a happy and positive mood. This puts our customers in a happier, positive mood, and this increases our chances of making a sale. So, to summarize all of this, we need to prepare our physical and digital displays to be visually appealing. Dress for success. Prepare our workspace and our workflow to ensure that we are ready for the day. Have a great attitude. Just remember that the way that we think affects how we act. None of the tips mentioned here are a magic fix, but each of them put together will ensure that you are getting yourself ready for success. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to watch the other videos on the sales process, and remember to subscribe to this channel so as more content becomes available, you will be armed to be a lean, mean, selling machine.